just a short ride, I'm off to see two beaches in the Costa Blanca. They're close together, but very different in many ways. They are Fisterra Beach and Moraira Beach. On the right is a view of Moraira Marina. I guess the distance between these two beaches is maybe a 10-15 minute walk, obviously a few minutes in a car. Fisterra is a nice little beach, sort of like a horseshoe shape, with sort of mountains on each side. Safe swimming for children, plenty of things to eat and drink, bars and restaurants. It's a really good place to come if you're this way.
Oh yeah, we did.
As you can imagine, in the summer it's quite a popular place, so I don't know, maybe get down there a little bit earlier if you can. This view is looking down towards Fisterra Beach. You can't see the beach from here. And then as it pans round, you can see the ocean, of course, and Kelpe Rock in the distance. This is looking down over Moraira Marina. Now we're at Moraira. This is looking at the main bit of not the main beach, but the coast and the town, and up towards the castle. Just beyond the castle is the main lovely beach. As you can see, this is a really beautiful beach. Great views, safe for the kids, good swimming, plenty of restaurants and bars nearby. A perfect place to be for the day. If you enjoyed this video, perhaps you'd subscribe to the channel. It's free and it really helps. And if you got this far with the video, good on you.